In this video, I'm transforming this rendering into this one, using easiest techniques and tools on Photoshop. Hi, this is Par, and welcome to my channel. For transforming this image, I'm using 4 render elements. One for texture improvement, one for lighting and shadows improvement, one for making selections, and ambient occlusion. And these are the materials I'm going to use. So the first step would be editing with render elements. I'm using diffuse render channel just for boosting the texture of the white walls. So for that, I'm also bringing the material random color to select that specific part. Then I'm going to diffuse layer and creating a layer mask, setting the blending mode to multiply, and this is the result. Now the shadows element to improve the lighting, especially lighting of the interior. And at the end, ambient occlusion. Now I'm putting all these layers into one group, and I'm creating a flattened layer of all these layers in a new layer using Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and E together. So from now on, I'm making selections of this layer by the help of this colored layer. For instance, I'm making a selection of the sky on this layer, and I'm going to the flattened layer and making a copy of this selection on this layer. Then I'm adding a sky, and I'm creating a clipping mask on the sky layer. After that, I'm selecting the windows. Making a copy of the selection, adding some figures inside the house, creating clipping masks, and setting the blending mode to soft light. And then adding this texture for windows reflection. For replacing the pool water, I'm using this texture, making 2 copies, merging them into one layer, creating clipping mask, and setting the blending mode to overlay. And then, by using a hue and saturation layer, I'm decreasing the saturation of the water. Now let's add grass texture to these parts. and with a grass-shaped brush, correcting the edges of the grass. This is how I like to do it. First, with my black brush, I'm erasing a big chunk from the edges, and then, with my white brush, I'm bringing back some parts. Now I'm adding a girl here. And I'm adding her shadow. And then an exposure layer to adjust the lighting. And at the end, once again, I'm flattening all the layers in a new layer. And on this new layer, I'm using a camera raw filter. And well, I will let it do its magic with just few clicks. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day.